Hi everyone, Nadia here from Oxigo. If you're new to CPAP therapy, you might feel a little bit overwhelmed at first. But the good news is that there are plenty of accessories designed to make the experience more comfortable, more hygienic, and a lot easier to stick with. Today, I'll show you the essential CPAP accessories that can really make a difference. So let's start. First, let's talk about cleaning. Keeping your CPAP equipment clean is absolutely key for both comfort and safety. At Oxigo, we offer a variety of products, including CPAP cleaning tabs and wipes for quick daily cleaning of your mask and surfaces, a CPAP hose brush so you can keep the inside of your tubing clear and fresh, and CPAP soap, specially designed for your mask and tubing without damaging the materials. A few minutes of cleaning can make your therapy more comfortable and extend the life of your equipment. Next, comfort. Sometimes the little details make all the difference in how easy it is to stay consistent with CPAP therapy. We have accessories like the hose lift, which holds your CPAP hose up so it doesn't tangle or put on your mask at night. The bedside CPAP table, a small stand to place your device next to your bed. The CPAP balm, a moisturizer that hydrates the skin for a long-term protection. Perfect if you suffer from red marks or skin irritation caused by your CPAP mask. Or the CPAP mask liner cover, which creates a soft barrier between the mask cushion and your face. A comfortable solution for people with sensitive skin. These simple tools can really reduce frustration and make the therapy feel more like natural. The main purpose of sleep therapy is obviously to achieve a better night's rest. Have you ever tried sleeping with a standard pillow and found your mask getting in the way? That's where CPAP pillows come in. They are specially shaped with cutouts on the sides to fit your mask and tubing, so you can sleep comfortably on your side without losing the seal. It's a small change that can make a huge difference in comfort. Another essential part of your setup is replacing your filters regularly. It is recommended to replace the filter or filters if there are more than one for your own hygiene as well. The filters keep dust, pollen, and pet hair at a distance, and a clean filter ensures that fresh air flows into your CPAP mask, making your therapy more comfortable and helping you avoid colds. With a CPAP battery, you will always have a good night's sleep with your CPAP machine. It is an important accessory for several reasons. First of all, a battery is very useful if you're traveling and you don't always have main electricity. Secondly, it is a good idea to have a battery at home to continue your CPAP therapy in the event of a power failure. These portable power solutions let you use your device anywhere, whether you're camping, flying, or just want to be sure you never miss a night of therapy. So, to sum up, CPAP therapy is most effective when you use it consistently. And the right accessory, whether it's a CPAP pillow or a new filter or just some simple cleaning wipes, can make all the difference. If you'd like to see the full range, visit us at oxigo.com. And if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit. So, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.